My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, thank you for coming back. So today I'm reviewing this wig I received from Hairsmarket. Yes, this is my second time working with them. They sent me this 13x4 deep wave frontal. It is so beautiful, you guys. These curls are everything. If you guys want to see me unbox this wig and install it, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here so you can follow me there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get started. Back with another hair review from Hairsmarket. Honestly, I forgot what wig they sent me, so let's go ahead and open this and see what's inside, okay? All right, so inside the bag, you will get a pack of wig caps and some lashes, also a bonnet. Then the wig will come in this plastic bag. It looks like this one is a 13x4 deep wave, 26 inches. So the wig looks like this. It looks very pretty. These curls look absolutely beautiful. This hair feels so soft, you guys. I can't even express enough. Inside, it looks like this. You do get 3 combs, little extra lace here, and adjustable straps on the sides. This is what the hairline is looking like. It does look like it's a little pre-plucked. I will be going in and plucking a little bit more. The ends look really good as well, as you can see. I'm not sure the density on this wig, but make sure you guys check the description box because it'll have everything in there that I didn't mention. But yes, it looks really pretty. So pretty. So what I'm going to do is off camera is I'm going to put some foundation on the lace per usual. I'm going to cut this extra lace off. I'm going to pluck a little bit, and then we're going to come back, and then I will style this. I'll probably just end up putting some water in this, not doing too much to it, but yes, I'll be right back. I'm all done styling, you guys. These curls came out so beautiful. Look at them. Look at them. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. I just put some baby hairs in right here. I did not lay my ear flaps down today because I just could not. I just could not do that today. But hold on, let me show you guys the back real quick. Okay, yes, so that is the back. I have all the hair pushed to the front right now, and I love it. These curls came out so beautiful. All I did was put some water in them and a little bit of Eco Styling Gel because I didn't have no conditioner, which I really need to get some conditioner. I keep on forgetting to get conditioner. But anyway, it turned out really, really pretty. Again, I don't remember the density on this wig, but it is very full. Whatever it is, check the description box. It'll have all the information that I don't mention. It'll be in the description box, okay? But yes, this is the unit. She is absolutely gorgeous. She is a deep wave, 26 inches, of 13 by 4 frontal. Oh, I did put some foundation on the parting and a little contour powder like on the lace. Let's get a close up on the lace. It's looking good. I like it a lot. But yes, that is my review on this wig from Hairsmarket. Thank you again, Hairsmarket, for sponsoring this video and sending me this wig. Thank you everybody for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.